I am an idiot, and I recorded all that audio through my phone and not my new mouse. Mike. Oh my god, I can't speak English today. That's cool. Learning curve. What's up, everyone? I just wanted to quickly address, so you're going to shortly see me say that I didn't do an intro. I did want to do a quick intro just to kind of headline and set expectations. So one thing I did want to mention, I just got this mic. Um, you'll see it with all the content that I'm about to upload, but I'm going through some growing pains with that. And one of the things with this video was I accidentally forgot to start recording with this mic. So a lot of the audio, I'm going to be very close to the microphone on my phone because I wasn't being cognizant of it. So if that's unbearable, I just wanted to give you a heads up ahead of time. You are going to hear a lot of breathing in the mic, and I know that's awful. So just wanted to give you a heads up right away. If you hate that, you can click off the video. I'm not going to judge you in any way, shape, or form. Aside from that, I hope you enjoy the content ahead. What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the white Corsair M65 wireless. Now, we are really excited. If you've watched any of my past videos, you know that I do have the black version of that mouse. I think it's a great all-around mouse, and I've been really hoping for a white one. Now, they finally rolled one out, a man of my word. I went ahead and bought it. And sorry for not showing myself in the beginning of this video. I just got a new mic. It has to be in the video, and I cannot for the life of me seem to figure out how to record a high quality video of myself in addition to having the mic in the shot. So that is going to be a work in progress, but I will shut the hell up so we can unbox this new mouse. And I don't know about you all, but I am really excited. Look how nice that's gonna look with this nice desktop that I just finished. And oh, I was moving the mic. With the nice desktop that I just finished, looking immaculate, I just think this is going to be pretty. Make sure that there's no tape because I'm notorious. Oh, see? Notorious. I missed it, even though it's right in front of my face. Granted, I don't know how many of you have done unboxings with a camera right in front of your face. It becomes a lot more challenging, I tell you what. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. One of my least favorite things that I do is I rip the corner of these every freaking time I go to open anything I'm buying. Alright, we're gonna take this off camera for a second so I can actually open this. Look at all that damage, even when I wasn't on camera. Cool. Okay, we're gonna get the instructions out of the way. Came with a nice cord. Even some white Velcro, we love to see it. Oh no! I promise the first time I opened the other one, it did not go that way. Wow, that is very shiny and a much different material than the original one. Just in the event that you couldn't hear me on the initial comparison because I had the mouse down, or the mic down, these are much different material. The rubber on the sides is exactly the same. I'm gonna turn this one off so I'm not jacking up on my stuff on my computer. But the white has a high glossy finish. I am sure, 100% sure, we'll call it 99.9, but I'm no fool. That they did the high gloss finish because, let's be honest, white soaking up oils from your hand is going to look a lot grosser than this black does. This black is more of a satiny finish, whereas this, like, 100% is a high gloss finish. Still looks pretty nice. I'm definitely going to be using it in my setup. I'm curious how different it's going to feel. Keep in mind, I have 2 weights in this one right here. I have 0 in this one. I'm actually going to start this one off with 0. If you've watched my other video, you know that it's a pain in the ass to get the weights out of this. There are 2 weights currently stuck in this, and I just have no idea how I'm going to get them out. But throw the brand new mouse. Feels the same. I much prefer the fact that they did the white button instead of the red. I just don't think that the red was really necessary. So great job to them there. Overall, I'm excited. And I think they built RGB in the side of the mouse wheel, which necessary, no. Fun, yeah, it's fun. But let's plug this bad boy in. I'm very curious about this high gloss finish. It feels nice and smooth in your hand. I still think I like it more than the G502. A little scroll wheel action for you. But yeah, let's check it out. Okay, old mouse is off. New mouse on. We have battery. And I can't wait to get rid of this mouse pad. Look at all this shit. I just cleaned this week. Disgusting. Disgusting. We're gonna open iCue real quick. They still did not fix the issue that they have with their software that, for whatever reason, Logitech refuses to use an actual percentage. Sorry in advance for the visual quality here. I'm recording on a 1440p ultra-wide monitor, so things get a little bit pushed out of proportion, but I did want to show you in iCue how iCue did not change their software that only shows medium, high, and low battery, unlike Logitech, who actually shows a battery percentage, which is really helpful in identifying how much charge you actually have left or how much life you have left in your battery. In addition to that, I wanted to highlight that within the iCue software, they now have this murals feature, which is kind of neat, but at the same time, it doesn't change the fact that you can only see one color in the Corsair logo RGB lighting at a time, which kind of sucks. Thank you all again so much for bearing with me and all the growing pains that I'm going through as I adjust to the new devices that I got within my setup. Hopefully, in the long run, it'll end up benefiting all of the content that I'm producing and make things just a lot better for your viewing experience. I wanted to take the time to thank you. If you did find it helpful, please give me a like just so I know that this is helpful to the people that are viewing it. Please drop a comment if you have any questions or want me to look into anything specifically about this mouse, or if you want me to cover anything in my future video. Aside from that, thank you all so much for spending some time with me today, and I hope you have a fantastic holiday season.